Today we're making a quick and delicious breakfast, bacon and eggs on toast, all cooked in the air fryer. This method is super practical, giving you a warm, hearty meal without the hassle of multiple pans or a long cleanup. Perfect for those busy mornings. Here's what you need: an air fryer, a slice of bread, butter, one egg, one or two strips of bacon, a spoon, and a pinch of salt and pepper for flavour. Start by using the back of a spoon to gently press down in the center of the bread, creating a small well for the egg to sit in. Now take a butter knife and spread butter over the side of the bread where the well was created. This not only adds a rich flavor but also helps the bread develop a golden crispy texture while it cooks in the air fryer. Once done, place the bread on the air fryer tray. Next, carefully crack the egg right into the center of the bread where you have created the well. Try to keep the yolk nice and centered here. Now, place the bacon strips around the edges of the bread. For even cooking, make sure they don't overlap. You can cut the bacon if needed to fit around the egg like I have done here. Now, you want to sprinkle a bit of salt and pepper over the egg for added flavor. Don't be afraid to add more seasoning here as well. Now carefully slide the tray into the air fryer and let it work its magic. Set your air fryer to around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius and cook for around 8 to 12 minutes. No preheating is needed, just adjust the cooking time based on how crispy you like your bacon and how well done you prefer your eggs. Cooking times may vary by air fryer, so I suggest to check halfway through to make sure the egg and bacon are cooking to your preference. I like my eggs and bacon a bit overdone, so I'll cook it for the longer time period here. Once it's finished cooking, carefully lift the bacon and egg toast out of the air fryer. Use tongs or something similar so you don't burn your hands. Check out that crispy bacon and perfectly cooked egg, just the way I like it. A delicious breakfast made entirely in the air fryer. Crispy bacon, a soft egg, and a perfectly toasted bread. This is quick, easy, and perfect for anyone short on time but craving a hearty homemade meal. Enjoy your bacon and egg toast. It's quick, easy, and the perfect way to start your day. I like to add a bit of sauce on mine. Let me know how you like your bacon and eggs in the comments section below.